How to find LinkedIn profile ID. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to find LinkedIn profile ID, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar, search for linkedin.com. Go ahead and sign yourself in if you haven't signed in already. Now on the top toolbar, you will see the Me option, also known as your profile icon. Tap on that and then tap on View Profile. Here you will see the option for public profile and URL. If you see below that everything after www.linkedin.com/in/ is your profile ID. You can also edit your profile ID if you want. To edit, tap on the edit button you see there and then tap on edit again. Now go ahead and make the changes you want and hit the save button, and with this the changes you made will be saved. You can also see your profile ID in the search bar. The highlighted part here shows my profile ID. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.